Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So, there is soul and there is the gross material body and there is the subtle material body. The soul is the basic principle. But to get a body, as I have already explained, the secretion discharged by the father and the mother, they mix up, they are emulsified and forms in the body of a pea. And the soul comes through the seminar of the father and is situated there. Then the body develops. Now, just try to understand, because the spirit soul is there, therefore matter is developed. If the soul is not there, if the child is dead, no more development. No more development. No dead child develops body. Everyone knows. Therefore, these material elements come from the spirit soul. Not that spirit soul comes from the material element. This is not, this is wrong theory. If it comes from the material combination, then why can you produce a living entity in the laboratory? In the laboratory? No, that is not. A material, because material creation is there, because I wanted such a circumstances, atmosphere. And Anubhanta, the Supreme Lord, He is the Supreme Sanction Giver. He gives me opportunity to enter into a certain type of mother's body and the material grows. So the actual fact is, from spirit soul, the energy, material energy comes out. Take for example, that I was giving, the chemicals. Now take one lemon tree. It is a living entity. And it is producing at least hundreds of pounds of citric acid. Lemon, everyone knows. You take 50 lemons today, again take 50 lemons, and if you extract the lemon, you will find extensive quantity of citric acid. So where from the citric acid chemical comes? Because the living entity is there in the tree. Therefore the conclusion should be, the chemicals come from life. Life does not come from chemical. If life comes from chemical, then you produce. I give you the chemicals, whatever chemicals you want. So chemical is produced. Just like you have got experience. When there is perspiration, they taste the perspiration, there is salt. Where from the salt comes? Salt is, what is the chemical name? Sodium carbonate, no? Sodium chloride, sodium chloride. The sodium chloride, where from it comes? It comes from your body, and your body comes from the soul. Therefore, the original cause of sodium chloride is the soul. So as you can analyze a little quantity of chemicals from your body, from tree's body, from any body, so you just imagine the unlimited body, gigantic body of Krishna, Virat Purusha, how much chemical it can produce. Therefore, don't take it that this is all imagination. Krishna says, Bhumirapano vayu khangamano buddhirevacha ahankara ityang me bhinna prakriti astadha. These 8 kinds of materials, gross and subtle, they are my energy. It is coming from Krishna. Krishna is not talking any nonsense, he is not bluffing you. At least those who are advanced, why you are reading Bhagavad Gita? Because it is authoritative. Krishna is speaking. That is fact. The most exalted authority. We have to take knowledge from the authority. We cannot manufacture knowledge. That is imperfect knowledge. Because our senses are imperfect.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.